Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. Today, we're touring the 2026 Forest River RV Salem Hemisphere 275RL, a rear living travel trailer built for comfort on longer trips while still being easy to tow for most half-ton trucks. On the exterior, you notice the clean, modern look with sleek graphics, large storage compartments for camping gear, chairs, and outdoor rugs, and a powered awning that creates a shaded hangout space right outside your door for relaxing mornings or evenings. As you step inside to the rear living area, the first thing that stands out is the couch that folds out into a bed, giving you extra sleeping space for guests, with cabinet space above it for blankets, pillows, and games. Next to that, there are comfortable reclining chairs where you can kick back after a long day, and a handy desk area that works great as a spot for a laptop, planning trips, or even a small coffee bar setup. Across from this entire seating zone sits the TV and fireplace, creating a cozy lounge feel. The TV is positioned for easy viewing from the couch and recliners. From there, you move into the kitchen zone, where the dining table offers plenty of space for meals, card games, or extra prep space if you're cooking bigger dishes. Right by it, the oven with cabinet space around it gives you room to store pots, pans, and baking sheets, and the microwave above makes quick snacks or reheating leftovers simple. The fridge stands ready to keep food and drinks cold for several days of camping, while the sink and cabinet space in the kitchen give you a deep basin for washing dishes and lots of room for cleaning supplies and small appliances. A dedicated pantry ties the kitchen together, giving you vertical storage for cereal, canned goods, snacks, and paper products. Shower with enough room to move around comfortably, making daily cleanups easy, whether you're at a campground or boondocking. The toilet is positioned for good legroom, and the sink area with mirror gives you space for brushing teeth and getting ready, with storage for toiletries and towels so the bathroom stays neat. Up front, the bedroom features a comfortable bed with clothing space above it, perfect for shirts, extra bedding, and everyday items you want close by. Across from the bed is a closet with washer and dryer prep, along with more storage, giving you a place to hang clothes. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.